Thank you for inviting me. Let me just start with a little story that I want to share with you. As I said, best part, I can't see you. तो आप मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहे हैं, तो मैं यही सोच रही हूँ कि आप बहुत अच्छे से मेरे को सुन रहे हैं. So anyway, so let me start with the story because I love stories. There's a father, like all of you here, all young fathers, mothers. Now he's coming home, but since he is working for a corporate, 6 o'clock he's coming home and he's carrying a briefcase full of homework. The moment he enters the house, there's a 4-year-old who's waiting for his father to come home. And he says, "Dad, come, let's play." Now, the father, being a modern father, had it been, say, 25 years ago, things would have been different. But he's a modern father and he knows he cannot brush the child aside. So what does he do? His eyes fall upon a world map. He tears it into bits of pieces and gives it to the child and says, "Beta, just put this together, put the world map together and I'll join you." Now he comfortably goes into his study, opens his briefcase and has barely taken out his file when the child comes running and says, "Papa, ho gaya?" My God. Now the father is having all kinds of ideas. I'm blessed, my child is a prodigy. चलो गिनीज वालों को फोन करते हैं, बुलाते हैं, मीडिया को बुलाएं, किसको बुलाएं. My child is something different. He's put the map of world together. He's just 4-year-old. So, okay, he goes to check, and yes, lo and behold, there's a map of the world, all in perfect place. So he says, "Okay, beta, well done, excellent. Now let's play. But tell me, how did you do that?" He says, "I just turned it over and there was the face of a man there. I put the face of the man together and the map of the world was in its place." Moral of the story, put the man together, the world will be in its place. Today, this is what we are doing here. Dear parents, let's accept one thing. What we are teaching our kids today, they'll be doing tomorrow. They do not follow what you tell them. They follow what they observe you doing. So be very, very careful around these kids. They are a bundle of curiosity. I'm so happy what I've seen here, right from Shivaji Maharaj to Bose Sahab to Mangal Pandey, and then the best, trees. What they are learning here, dear parents, is going to be in their mind throughout their lives. It's in their psyche. It's going to be there forever. What I have learned, I wouldn't call myself as having 35 or 30 years of experience. I would say 30 years of learning. And this learning begins here. All I needed to learn, I learned at kindergarten. Rest all is building. उसी के ऊपर बढ़ाना है. अ से ज्ञ तक अक्षर हैं. 0 to 9, right? Am I right? Now, since I can't see you, I don't even know your reaction. So, right? A to Z, बाकी सब कुछ इसके ऊपर ही चलेगा. This is what they are learning. So let the learning be fun. As young parents, since, well, I have a grown-up daughter, she's already well settled. So, what I can just advise you or request you is 4 things. I'll end my speech with this. Speech, I didn't want to call it a speech because otherwise it would become boring. More of an interaction. But then if you ask the teacher to speak, तो जब तक बेल नहीं बजेगी वो बोल सकते हैं. हम 4-5 पीरियड एक साथ पढ़ा सकते हैं without tiring. So brace yourselves, सोन मत जाना आप लोग. Now, First thing, time. Give your children time. That's the most valuable thing you can give. Branded shoes, branded clothes, branded toys. They'll outgrow toys, they'll outgrow clothes, they will outgrow shoes, or no matter how expensive or branded a shoe it is going to get torn, it will wear out. They won't remember that. They will remember how many times you were telling them stories. They will remember the time spent with you. Second, the ability, the courage, and the determination to say no. There's a wonderful psychologist. I was reading his article, and he said the problem with us is that we do not teach our children the sound of no. Should be done early enough. I'm sure when you're going to be saying no, it will be for the right reason, but then we give in. We give in. Sometimes for fear. Often I have seen in the mall, for mother or father is saying no, no. And the child is saying, I want this toy. He doesn't need it. He says, I want. And he just lies down and throws his arms and legs aside, holds his breath. And the parents are looking so nervous and embarrassed and say, okay, let's go. Everybody is staring around. Don't do it. Don't do it. Trust me, I have seen it and I know. All you have to do is just tell the child, अच्छा हम उस वाले शॉप पर जा रहे हैं, आना है तो आ जाओ. Trust me, within 2 seconds he'll come running to you. Don't give in to that. All my request to you parents is, please be very firm when you say a no, then please mean it as a no. And parents should be one, not mother and father differently, but one. Third, very important thing. How many of you teach now? This is the art I have learned just now. How many of you tell your children bedtime stories? ज़्यादा हाथ ऊपर नहीं जा रहे हैं. Charu, I know. Oh good, they've switched on the light. Thank you so much. Now I know how bored you people are. I can see the expression. Good. Please do it. Do it regularly. Regularly. And when you come home, forget about everything else. Your home is your heaven. And these children, they are yours to cherish, love, nurture for a few years. You won't even realize when he or she has done his class 10th or 12th and then off to college and then off to their jobs and then they become guests in our life. I'll give you my example. I'm asking my daughter, आप बेटा दिवाली पर आएंगे? मम्मा छुट्टी नहीं है. I understand, but do I miss? Of course. There is no festival without kids. You are so lucky, dear new parents, young parents. Make the most of this time. When you come home, please put that gadget away. There's one thing that you must have seen. I'm not carrying it. It's in my bag on a silent mode. People in my school might be going crazy. So everything happens when the principal is not in school, things happen. When I'm there, nothing. Maybe I'm that kind of a miracle. That's self-praise. But take time. Be with your kids. Don't give them expensive gifts. Give them your time. That's the most expensive thing. And kindergarten, this is the time. Maximum learning is taking place. Maximum learning. All your values, the morals, everything that you expect your child to grow up with as future citizen of this country. He's learning it here. Let's not think about competition. I'll just share one more thing. A parent came to me, and the child is actually in grade 1, and he's saying, "Ma'am, I want my child to crack UPSC." Yeah, you can see my eyebrows going up. I said, wow, wow. Is this child your second chance to life? What you couldn't do, you want your child to carry that burden of your expectations, your dreams. You've killed his. And what does a child of standard 1 know about UPSC? Time enough. Time enough. Let's celebrate this participation, not perfection. And the best part I liked here was this little boy who was running behind that bubble box. That was the best. Put your hands together for that. Reason I'll tell you. वो तो अपने ड्रीम्स के पीछे भाग रहा है ना, जो गाना गा रहे हैं. Same dream, that bubble he's chasing, and wherever it was going, I was observing the child. He even came this side, trying to look for it. So, just let the children enjoy. Of course, it's important to make them realize their boundaries. Now is the time. They should know. They should know. But at the same time, let's not burden them with academics. What's academics? In fact, all the learning is taking place here, right from PKG class to rest all curriculum. Physics, chemistry, bio, सब आ जाएगा. सब वही ISC बोर्ड सारे एक जैसे चलते हैं. If it's not ISC, it's IG, it's CBSE, whatever. So enjoy this journey, and be mindful when you are at home. When you're with your child, your phone should be so far away from you and on silent that you don't even know, and you shouldn't be missing it. That's what you can do. That's what your children are going to be thankful. Later on, when, see, what goes around comes around. Okay? So, we were children, and while we were growing up, what were we thinking? इतना डांटते हैं हमको हमारे माँ बाप, इतना डांटते हैं, हम तो बहुत अच्छे माँ बाप बनने वाले हैं, बहुत अच्छे बनेंगे. How many of you thought that? Come on, raise your hands. I'm going to be a wonderful father. I'm going to be a wonderful mother. My parents keep on scolding me. बिना बात के डांट पड़ जाती है, बिना बात के मार पड़ जाती है, पूछते भी नहीं है कि किया क्या है. And now that we are here, what do we say? At least I say, thank you, Mummy, for putting up with me, for not disowning me, for not giving up on me, but for putting up with me. So be there for your children. Be good parents. That's what they're going to learn. And time flies. We don't even know. Think about your school days, and now you're sitting here as parents. Enjoy. Please don't worry too much about future. Future will happen in future. It will happen in future. Abhi se kya? You're thinking about which college will he go to? My God, which university? Which course? Let him enjoy the journey. And you enjoy the journey with him. Trust me, every child present here is going to find a place in the world. They will be successful. But I'm not talking about only success. Will he or she be a happy child? A happy person? If his child is happy, he'll be a very happy and successful person. Let your child tackle his problems by himself. How many of you take your child's help in setting up the table, cleaning the table, setting his own bag, taking out his tiffin and putting it for washing? Let the child do it. Please let the child do it. Often enough I have seen parents, माँ बाप का दिल है, मेरा बच्चा बैग कैसे लेके जाएगा? They are carrying the bag, mother is carrying the bottle, and the child is walking. And then later on when the child is 14 years old, आप उसको बोलते हैं इसको तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है. Come on, he doesn't even know how to make his bed. Look, his cup is still lying there. We didn't teach young enough. We should. Take their help. They should take pride in that. And they'll be thankful to you for it in future. And last but not the least, I'm not talking about competition. We're talking about enjoying, celebrating. So let's celebrate childhood with them. How many times did I hear parents laughing wholeheartedly because there was some kind of background dialogue going on at the back? Yeah? Or some children not picking up the sword when they were supposed to, or whatever. I enjoyed that. And the parents enjoyed it. So let's enjoy. Let's enjoy the day. And let's celebrate this. Thank you, Amit and Charu and the team. My teachers, trust me, I have done all this. I know how much hard work. I used to be, a very young girl of 19 when I stepped into this passion of mine called being a teacher. So I was about to faint when a child would forget his dialogue. And then my mentor, a founder principal, under whose guidance I learned so much, he said, it's okay. Let the child forget. And बाद में वो आके मेरे को बोला कि मैम मेरे को डायलॉग याद था. मैंने कोई बात नहीं. The others are waving at their parents. Some start crying when they see their parents. So much fun. So much fun. I just want you to enjoy. Enjoy your children. Let's not put on our expectations, our fear. क्या करेगा कर लेगी बहुत अच्छे से कर लेंगे हमने भी तो किया ना I was an average student I'm here standing in front of you talking to you people speaking with you learning from you I was an average student very average so I'm here let's not put the burden of our expectations, our desires, unfulfilled dreams on our kids. Let them be free. Sooner or later, curriculum follow karenge, but this is important. And trust me, I'll leave you with this last bit of thought that came to my mind. That is, have faith. Have faith in the teachers. Have faith in the school. Please have faith. Trust me, your kids are in very good hands. I've seen the hard work that Amit and Charu have been doing. It's not easy. Trust me, it's not easy. Last anecdote. I have a doctor friend. Now, since quite friendly with me, and she was saying, after my clinic hours, I have to sometimes take some relaxant tablet, like antidepressant and all. I was like, doctor, you? And she said, yes. Then I was saying, doctor, I'm so blessed. Of course, there are days when I have aches and pains, normal, I'm a normal human being. But other than that, I'm always so eager to go to school and to meet my children. That's when she told me something that has stuck here in my mind. And she said, because you are surrounded by positive energy. So let's put our hands together for those positive bundles of energies called children. She said, हमारे पास कौन आता है? Well, who goes to a doctor? I was a friend, so I went to meet her, had a cup of coffee, but doctor के पास हम तब जाते हैं when there's something wrong with us, dukhi, in pain. So that vibes, that energy, it affects our chakras, it affects our happiness, our vibes. Tentacles. We are so lucky. You people have positive energies throughout the day with you. The teachers are so lucky to have them with them for some hours. So just enjoy it. And thank you so much for listening to me. God bless you. God bless your children. And My heartiest compliments to the teachers who worked so hard. Charu and Amit, thank you so much. I really enjoyed myself today. It was a very blessed day for me. I won't have it any other way. Best part is I'm out of the school and I'm enjoying here the show and not being on tenterhooks. So thank you very much, dear parents. God bless you all and God bless the kids. Thank you.